We had some good times, didn't we? You were shiny, you were easy, you promised you wouldn't stick. But then you started getting all flaky on me, literally and frankly. I can't trust you anymore. After 50 years in the kitchen, I'm done with them cheap flings. Today, I'm introducing you to the only pan I love. And I'm gonna show you why this will be the best relationship you'll have in your kitchen. Here is the first reason we're still together. Loyalty. Drop a cold piece of meat in a thin aluminum pan. Do you know what happens? The pan panics. It gets cold feet. The temperature drops and your meat ends up steaming in its own juice. That's not cooking. That's a tragedy. But cast iron, it holds its ground. It has thermal mass. That means when the cold meat hits, the iron stays hot. It gives you that restaurant quality sear that seals in the flavor. Listen to that sizzle. That is the sound of a pan that doesn't quit on you. You know the other thing about cast iron, there's no two-timing going on here. You can do one love of your life. Remove that bacon, dump the grease that was in there, and we can move on and cook our next thing. I cook almost everything in one skillet. The love of my life, the cast iron. Here's another reason we go everywhere together. These modern pans, they have plastic handles. They scream, don't put me in the oven, I'll melt. They limit you. Cast iron doesn't care. Stovetop's fine. Oven, easy. Campfire in the backyard, let's go. I can start any kind of meal in my cast iron and put it in the oven or under the boiler without changing pans. Try doing that with Teflon and you'll be calling the fire department. She's always happy being in that oven. Look at that melted cheese. And as a side note, keeps your food warm. And right there, my friends, we have a one skillet meal. It's easy. It's one of my best friends, this cast iron. I know I hear y'all thinking right now she's high maintenance, but not really. So many people think you need a degree in chemistry to take care of this fine cast iron. Just get a stiff brush, hit a little bit, put a little bit of soap in there to get the oils, and rinse it in really hot water. That's all. If you get a little spot, just hit it again. And look at that. Everything is out of that beautiful cast iron skillet. Give her a rinse. Just hit it with a little bit of oil of your liking. And just treat it with a little respect. Give it a little love. Don't let it sit in the sink overnight with water in it. And every single time she'll be ready to go for the next time. And this is why I love this pan. Because you buy one of them other non-stick pans, it'll be in a landfill within 3 years. And the real deal is, I don't buy this pan for just me. I buy this pan for my son, grandchildren, their grandchildren. This will be a lifelong family heirloom with a lot of different meals prepared in it. It'll last a lifetime. Just take care of it. It's real easy to do. So do yourself a favor, stop those bad dates, get some cast iron, and get cooking.